First I start to cook, I mean always gas. It became like the only way to cook. Hi, I'm Nicolas Boutin, I'm the chef of one-star Michelin Épure. The concept is French contemporary, using mostly ingredients France but as well in Europe. Cuisine a bit clean, straightforward, I will say uncomplicated. With three elements, a bit of textures, acidity, of course seasoning is important, and try to have a bit of tweak as well. I find that when you cook even simple stuff, even to fries, they will cook better with the gas. Cooking with the flame has been my life, but it's as well not only my job, but it's my hobby as well. I don't want to lose the passion I have for cooking. So it was in a way, came up the idea of like take the time to do some cooking myself and at the same time to eat much better than before. Today I'm going to cook something from my childhood, omelette from my mother, potato, parsley, all of that. Kind of, simple and not simple, but still some methods are important to do. Today some people think sometimes you need to bring some very premium ingredients to make something good. No, simplicity is there. First, to make this recipe, I peel of course the potato, I will put in water, bring it to boil, and then I will start to cook the potato in oil until they start to be a little bit golden brown. They need to absorb some oil. That's a very simple step but very important. I will prepare the flat parsley, remove the leaves, chop it up very roughly. Same for the garlics. And when the potatoes are almost there, I will bring a bit of butter. Butter, important, very healthy as well. I will add the garlic first. Then I will put the flat parsley. Then I will put the eggs, the beaten eggs inside. And I will just turn around a little bit. You can see the nice golden part from the bottom on top. And then ready to be served. It's a recipe that for cooking at home is very good for the people who are grain conscious. At the end, I think nothing can replace the flames compared to other technique or equipment you can find today. It's definitely very unique.